In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Dead by Daylight PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your DualShock controller to play Dead by Daylight. I'm gonna teach you how to set it up if you are playing through Steam or if you are playing through Epic Games. For Steam, the process is going to be slightly easier because you don't have to download any additional programs. For Epic Games, you will have to download a specific one. So of course, go ahead and connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PC. You can do this through Bluetooth or through a wired connection, whatever you prefer. For Bluetooth, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. This will enable pairing mode, and then you can go over to your PC or laptop settings, enable Bluetooth, choose the option to add a device, and the controller will appear under the list. If you are using a cable, you plug one end of the cable into the back of the controller, and then the other one goes into any of the available USB ports on your PC or laptop. Now, for the actual method of using and setting up the controller, if you are on Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, Controller, and make sure that Steam Input is enabled. Steam Input will automatically detect and set up your controller, so if this is enabled, you don't have to do anything else, just launch the game and enjoy. If you go into the controller configurator, you can see more options. You will notice that I am recording this video with an Xbox controller, but don't worry, the process is going to be the same for DualShock. I'm only using an Xbox because it is the only controller I have available at the moment. In here, you can change the layout of the buttons, so if you want to customize your layout, you can, but like I said, this is optional. Just make sure that Steam Input is enabled and the controller will be set up for you. Now, if you are on Epic Games, you will most likely have to download DS4 Windows because, of course, you will not be running the game from Steam, so Steam Input will not work natively. So, go to ds4-windows.com, click Download, and then download the executable from here. It is simple to use. You simply run this file, and you let it run in the background while your controller is connected to your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Dead by Daylight PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.